5 essential vitamins and minerals for skin health. Our skin will naturally wrinkle as we age, and there is no way of stopping nature either. It naturally loses elasticity over time. While we can't stop the clock, we can help prevent our skin from experiencing premature signs of aging. Even though no amount of lotions and potions will stop natural aging, we are still bombarded with different skincare advertisements, and people believe them, or at least hope they will work. While skincare products are abundant, and yes, they feel good on the skin, there is one important thing that you should do, and that's to take care of your skin from within. Foods such as green leafy vegetables can keep your skin healthy. The reason is that there are essential vitamins and minerals in certain foods that help keep your skin healthy. Here is a list of vitamins and minerals that can guide you on what foods to look for or any additional supplementation that may be helpful. Vitamin A. While the sun can give us vitamin D that is essential for our health, exposure to harsh sunlight is the #1 cause of wrinkles. So you need vitamin D, but you also need to minimize exposure to the sun when its damaging rays are strongest. Vitamin A helps protect the skin against the damage of harmful UV rays. It also increases the production of collagen to make the skin tighter and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. At the same time, vitamin A assists in the production of new blood vessels that are essential in the coloration of the skin. Essentially, vitamin A makes your skin glow. Include sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, beef, and eggs in your diet. Vitamin E. Similar to vitamin A, vitamin E aids in counteracting the harmful effects of sunlight on the skin. Vitamin E heals the skin and helps reduce wrinkles. This essential vitamin can help reduce the production of cancer-causing cells. Studies have shown that a combination of vitamin A and E reduces basal cell carcinoma, skin cancer, by up to 70%. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables can provide you with vitamin E. Nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils are rich in vitamin E. Omega-3 fatty acids. Healthy fats lubricate the skin, which will help keep it looking radiant. When your body lacks healthy fats, your skin looks dry and can start to sag. Omega-3 fatty acids are classed as healthy fat. Our body needs omega-3s to build cell walls, effectively blocking chemicals that can lead to skin cancer growth. Omega-3s can also reduce inflammation and fight the signs of aging. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in cold water fish, including salmon and tuna, as well as flaxseed and safflower oils. Protein. Eating foods that are rich in protein provides the body with what it needs to produce amino acids. These essential building blocks help produce other proteins, such as collagen and keratin, which are excellent for skin health. Collagen and keratin form the structure of the skin, as well as protect it from UV ray damage and free radicals. Eggs, almonds, chicken, broccoli, and cottage cheese are protein-rich foods. Incorporate these into your diet so your body can produce its essential range of amino acids. Vitamin C. Have you noticed any sagging or bruising on your skin? That's possibly due to a lack of or insufficient collagen, which is what makes the skin firm. Vitamin C is a vital element in the production of collagen. Vitamin C counters the effects of harsh sunlight and pollution and improves skin elasticity. A vitamin C deficiency can result in fragile skin and easy bruising, which is one more reason why eating vitamin C-rich foods is important. You can find this vitamin in citrus fruits, broccoli, tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, bell peppers, and many other foods. Even though you may take good external care of your skin, if you really want to care for your skin, start from the inside. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.